Assalamualaikum. Dear students of class 9th, hope you are doing well. I am your teacher Nida Naqvi and this is your online virtual class organized by Metropolitan School. Okay, so we have learned type of sentences before. Now I am going to explain you something about electronic mail. Okay, as you can see on the screen, here is a sign of electronic email. Now move to slide number 1. What is email? Yani short form. Email is a short form for electronic mail. Have you ever seen this logo, this sign in your cell phones or in your laptop and computer? Okay. What is electronic mail? Electronic mail is the transmission of messages and files via computer network. Today, email is a primary communication method for both personal and business use. It means we use email for primary and personal use, for business use also. Okay, this is the cheapest way of communication we have now in advanced time. Now come on slide number 3. Yes, why do we use email? Okay, why do we use electronic mail? You use an email program to create, send and receive, forward, store and print email messages. Okay, as I have told you, this is a primary communication. Okay, this is a mean of communication which is very cheap nowadays, and we can contact anyone by using email, by using electronic email within a seconds, within a minute. So this is the fastest and the cheapest communication nowadays we have. Okay, have you ever seen, move back please. Yes, I'm just talking about the email programs. Okay, we have two email programs, Outlook and Windows Live Mail, are two popular desktops with, for example, Gmail and Windows. Have you ever seen these signs? Gmail and Microsoft Hotmail. These are the two domains, two email programs that we can use or to send email to anyone. Now we are going to move on next slide. Yes, how do you start informal emails? Okay, we have two types of mails. One is formal and other is informal. So today I am going to tell you about informal email. Start your email with a greeting followed by the person's name and a comma. Okay, whenever you will start writing informal email, you will write the name of a person, fine, and then after mark comma after the name. Since this is an email to a friend, for informal email, you write informal emails to your mother, friends, colleagues. Okay, so if you are casual, say hi, this is the greeting, hi, hey, hello. For example, I have example for you. Hi Farah. An example of a basic greeting. Simple. You can write simply greetings for your friend, for your mother, and for your father or any colleague. Now come on the next slide. Yes. We must have an email address. Okay. So that's then we can able to use email sending. Fine. An email address is a combination of a username and a domain name that identifies a user to that he and she can receive internet email. For example, as I have written on the top of the slide, Farah Khan. Okay, Farah Khan is the username. I have added a number. Okay, it added a number. Okay, this is the username and this is the domain which I am going to use. I am going to generate my account. Okay, you can generate your account on Hotmail, Gmail as well, and Yahoo. Okay, don't forget the Yahoo. Okay, and this sign, this one, and pronounce at. Okay, we will pronounce this sign at, for example, Farah Khan 5 at hotmail.com. This is the domain and this is the user name. Now come on the next slide. Yes, this is a composition form. If you are willing to compose an email, so this is a composition form. You can see different things here. First thing is compose mail link. Okay, click to display it. Okay, if you will click it, this form will open on your display, on your computer, on your PCs. Fine. Then afterward, first thing is to. Who will you write to? Recipient email address. Fine. Number second, subject line. I will tell you later about the subject line. How will you write subject line in a right manner? Next one is this part will be used for email body. It's mean main message which you would like to send. Now come on the next slide. Yes. What should I write in subject line? This is the very basic question come in our minds. What should be written in the subject line? So here are several tips how to write an excellent email subject line, because it is the main most attractive part of email. Fine. Number one, always write a subject line. Sometimes people forget to write subject line, okay? So must remember, first write subject line, write the subject line first. Keep it short. Your subject line should be very short in 3-4 words. Okay, place the most important words at the beginning and just write the topic of your message. Eliminate filler words. Don't use and don't use filler words. Just keep it short. Be clear and specific about the topic of the email. I will give you an example before. For example, I am willing to send email to my friend, okay, for a birthday invitation. So what will I write in the subject line? I will write birthday invitation, okay. That will be okay and fine. Keep it simple and focused, okay. Keep your subject line short and simple. It will be attractive for the reader or receiver. Okay. Now come on the next slide. Yes. Now you can see the view of inbox, Gmail inbox. I hope you have seen this before. For example, we have inbox, send, draft and spam. Okay, we have lot of options here. Now today we are just I am going just describe the compose link which I have described before. Now come on the next slide. Yes, informal email writing. Email can be formal or informal, as I have told you before. An informal email is an informal piece of writing. Its style can be similar to speaking, okay. First question come into our mind that how we will write the informal email. So if you are going to write informal email, don't worry, you can write similar to speaking, okay. Don't worry, as I am speaking, I can write the email in the same way. So it's up to us how we begin and finish it. There is no conditions, okay. You can begin and finish it in your own way as per your choice. And whether we use paragraphs or not, and it's up to you whether we are going to use paragraphs or not, okay. There is no condition of writing methods and writing you can say main body conditions. Yes. Now come on the next slide. Yes. How do you end an email? I have told you before, I have told you about starting. Now I am going to tell you about ending. How will you end? Because ending and starting is the two basic important things in informal email writing. Number one, you can most common ways to end an email: best, sincerely, regards, kind regards, thank you, warm wishes, with gratitude, and many thanks. You can use any of them. Okay. Yes. This is the sample of informal email. Okay. From David. Suppose I have received this email from someone, from my friend. From David. I have received this email from David. Okay. Subject is touring holiday. Fine. Some college friends of mine. As you can see here, there is no beginning line. How do you do, and what's going on. There is nothing. Hope you are fine. No need of such lines in informal emails. Some college friends of mine are visiting your area soon for a week touring holiday. They would like to travel around and learn about your local area and its history. This is the basic thing. Okay, I just want to convey the message to my friend that my friends are coming and they will visit your local area. So can you tell me about some of the places they could visit? Okay, now I am asking for something. I'm asking for the must-see places. Okay, must-see places, the most popular places of the city, of the area. What's the best way to travel around car, bike or coach? And how we will go there. Okay, best way of traveling, car, bike and coach. There he is asking for the suggestion to his or her friend. Okay, now look at here. As I have told you, the ending of the informal email, just write thanks and write your name after it. This is the sample of informal email writing. Okay, so you need to write an email to your friend, okay, as a practice. So I am giving you a topic. Your topic is yes, online classes. Fine. You need to write an informal email to your friend and ask her or him to help you in your online classes. Fine. So you need to write this email for practice as well. So this is the informal email. This is all about informal email writing. Hope you these tips will help you a lot to write informal writings. Okay. So guys, thank you and Allah Hafiz.